next sponsor can crack the case and write up a full report, probably with footnotes. Basically, they are the Sherlock Holmes of science. Let's hear it for Emery Pharma. Woo!
Hi everyone, my name is Chris Purcell. I'm the BD manager at Emery Pharma. So we do get involved in investigational studies. We're an analytical and bioanalytical CRO. We're based in Alameda. We're CGMP and GLP compliant, so we get involved a lot with dose range finding studies, tox studies, PK studies. But also on the analytical side, we do a lot of stability studies, reference standard characterization, and impurity identification. With us today as well, we're very focused on sustainability, and so we brought along our sister company who actually invented the EcoFunnel. So this is a funnel you screw onto your waste bin, and it helps trap the volatile organic solvent so it doesn't spread throughout the lab. It's way more eco-friendly, so if you want, go stop by their booth. And they also help with sourcing hundreds of thousands of lab consumables and products.